Okay, good morning, good day to you. I want to talk today. Am I too close to this? I don't know. Is this too close? Trying to get this all worked out here. I want to talk today about TOing your customer, turning over your customer that you can't close. And, I have to always stay very positive, and sometimes I get just a little bit frustrated with salespeople when, in fact, they have a hot customer. They've asked the proper questions, because remember, if you ask the right questions, you get the right answers. They've qualified, and the customer said, yeah, I think, I'd buy the boat if the price was right. I don't know. It depends on what you give me on my trade, or it depends on what the price is. But the customer said, yeah, maybe, I'm looking at a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 6 months. I can close all those customers. But when you ask those questions and they give you the right answers, you work the customer for an hour, you spend 80% of your time out there feature and benefiting, because remember, 80% out there is 20% on the close, so you did everything right. You bring them in the office, you sit them down, you show them MSRP, you show them that price, you get the discount, you bring the discount back to them, you show them that discounted price, right? And you shut up and do the silent close, or you put your hand out and you do the assumption close. And then the customer says, how many objections? It could be one of many, but we'll just say the one that you hear most of the time, that's a great price, that's awesome, and you're a super salesman, but I have to go home and think about it. And the next thing I know is the manager, they're gone. I never got a chance to talk to them. Now, I want to share with you as you're watching this that it's not me, because you could be just as good a closer as I am. Let's say that you're a better closer than I am. It's a fresh face. When I pick up a customer on the floor, or I have a customer on the phone, if I can't close them, I get one of you, or I get someone else to close for me, because it's just a different voice. It's just a different face. Don't be afraid to TO your customers. I can tell you this much. When I have a customer that I can't close and I TO the customer, and you can't close the customer, and then another person can't close the customer, I feel much better knowing that the customer was not a buyer. When I have a customer that I qualify and they say, yes, they'll buy if the price is right, and they leave and I don't TO them, I never know if they were really a buyer. Maybe I did something wrong. Now, those of you that have been out there for years and years and years, you're saying, well, I know buyers. I know if they're buyers. If I let them go, I know. No, you don't, because I don't. So we need to work with each other. We need to make sure that we TO our customer. In this day and age, every single customer should be turned over after they've been qualified and you sat them down. I'm not talking about the customers that come in that just take a quick look and you get up in the boat and then you talk to briefly. But I want to make sure that you understand we need to work together, because if you get that one extra unit a month, one extra could make all the difference in the world. Whoops, I hate when that happens. So please make sure that you TO every single customer, okay? Every single customer. I want to make sure that we do that with all of them. There's no exceptions to that rule. And all it does is put money in your pocket. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you soon.